my god, that's so awesome. Hey, little birdie. I know, you're trapped inside. Hey, look. Yeah. It's up and down. Hey, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna call you Bobby. You're Mr. Bobby. Yeah. Yeah, nod your head. Hey. So pretty. Oh my god. Oh, you're missing it, Candy. Oh, you poor thing. Walk back. Walk forward. Oh, oh, there you go. Yeah.
Oh, it's like jumping. I want a bird now again.
Hi. Hi.
I used to have you guys. I miss you guys so much. My little birds that died. It's my fault anyway. I should learn how to take care of birds.
What? It's my hand.